Hey mga ka-Canva, got an event coming up and need amazing designs? Whether it's invitation, posters, or everything in between, Canva's got you covered. By the way, are you wait? Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva to create stunning event materials para mas maging unforgettable ang event mo. So let's get started. First, let's design some invitations. Canva's templates make it super easy to create invitation that stand out, from weddings to birthdays to corporate events. May makikita kang bagay sa lahat ng occasion. All you need to do is to pick up template and customize, no? So here's a tip, no? Customize the color to match your theme and choose fonts that fits to your event's personality. Canva's cut, drag and drop interface make this process super smooth. And next, we've got posters and banners. Canva has loads of templates for promotional materials, whether it's for social media or venue decor. You can play around with fonts, images, and icons to make your poster eye-catching. Plus, you can add cool items and illustrations to really bring your design to life. Pro tip lang ha, Canva has a huge library for free elements. So just be sure to choose one that fits your. Now let's talk about pros and cons of using Canva for event planning. Let's start with the pros. Super user-friendly. Kahit beginner ka, you can create professional-looking design with no experience needed. Canva also had a wide variety of templates, so you're not starting from the scratch. And lastly, it's affordable. No? Most of the features you need are free. You can upgrade to Canva Pro for more customization options. On the flip side, here's the cons. So if you're working on something that's really custom and detailed, Canva has a limited design capabilities compared to the professional tools like Adobe Photoshop. Also, the free version may limit you if you want more advanced features like premium templates or extra storage. But for more event needs, Canva is more than enough to create beautiful professional design without the hassle. Now, Canva doesn't stop at invitation and posters. You can also create matching name tags, events, programs, even tickets. It's perfect if you want to keep your branding and theme consistent across all materials. Now, remember to keep everything consistent. No? Use the same fonts, color, and styles throughout para cohesive tignan ang event materials mo. It's the small details that makes everything look professional. When you are happy with your designs, it's time to download. Canva lets you export in high-res formats for printing like PDF, or you can choose PNG or JPG for online use. Super convenient, right? Now there you have it, event planners. Canva makes it easy to create beautiful and cohesive design for your next big event. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva tips, and let me know in the comment section what events you're planning next. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. I'm Wait.